Alright, today we're going to take a look at the first RAW Series collection, the P400, inspired by Portra 400 film. Now this collection is for RAW images and specifically uses digital negative camera profiles. Let's take a look at our RAW image. ISO 416mm f22. So there we have our 24 presets, and again we're going to use one of the RAW ones. Let's go with this one. Before and after. We have a series of AI masks. We'll take a look at those. The only thing I'm going to do is boost up the exposure just a little bit, and there we go. And one thing I'll just quickly show you, if we can get closer on the kayaks, I'm going to swap out this profile. You can see how the color is more flat if I use this profile, which is great in certain circumstances, but I really want the color to come through, and that's why these RAW ones really work nice. Going to our tools, we have a couple of options. Let's say we want to change the grain. We can take one of these ISO filters, and I'm going to drop the grain to an ISO 160. That's going to build a different series of masks with different grain, fully adjustable here and fully adjustable in here. So we can take the grain and adjust it this way. Taking a look at diffusion, this takes out that digital look of your raw image. And then you've got your smoothing, highlights, sky, as without the sky, and a few more adjustments here. And I can add a little bit of a golden tone, and these are fully adjustable as well. So there's without, I can just bring it in, just a touch right at 30. And the final thing I'm going to do is a lens correction. Again, because it is a raw file, we can do this. There we go. And with that, we lose a little bit of vignette. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of a vignette in there, and that becomes fully adjustable as well. Very nice subtle look, and has the Portra film color and emulation. Let's take a look at before and after. There's before and there's after. Alright, again, if you want to take a look at the RAW series, I'll put a link down below. 24 presets and profiles, the top 6 being for RAW using the DCP digital negative camera profile, and you also get the lab tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.